Can I get by? Hey man, just go. No, there's not, man. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
We're good?
Yeah, we're good.
You tried to make a hit you out there.
I did not.
Really?
No.
20 foot from where you turned, you slammed on your brakes and put your goddamn signal light on. If you want me to hit you, I'll run over this goddamn little car. And I hope you're recording what I'm saying.
We're good, man. I'm sorry.
You want to play games? Play games with somebody else. Because the man driving that truck's going to stomp your little ass.
We're good.
I was wearing those red DJ pants yesterday, and I had to move my car out back.
Yo.
What the fuck are you? Oh my god!
Oh my god! They did just crash.
I'm a citizen, whore bitch. Eat my dick. Eat my fucking dick, bitch.
What are you doing? Oh my god!
At any
Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude.
I like a fair shape
I've caught it
a little
or watched
better
it
for
play
black
that
glasses.
Yeah.
But
about a year ago, and I was.
Running from the cops?
the Texas lawsuit. But speak to the Donald Trump of it all here. I mean, for all the talk of his perhaps waning influence, he was able to take out Emmer when he wanted to, when he decided that he wasn't the right guy because he was.
What the?
Pack detected. Pack detected. Connecting to the emergency call center.
Connecting you to an emergency.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.